Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Williamson County, east central Burnett County, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bertram, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Taylor, Granger, Bertram, Saraneta, Leander, Bartlett, Liberty Hill, Gerald, Florence, Thrall, Weir, Georgetown Dam, Granger Dam, Joppa, and Ice, Oatmeal, Sun City, Mahomet, and Lanaport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Severe thunderstorm warning for my county, y'all. That's it.